What did you eat yesterday? You probably remember. But do you remember lunch on a Tuesday 3 weeks ago? Most likely not. You lived that moment. You saw it, tasted it, felt it. But your brain erased it. When? While you were sleeping. And it did it intentionally. Every day, your brain is bombarded with millions of pieces of information: a face, a voice, a smell, a conversation, a feeling. What if it were possible to store them all? Scientists tested this. The result is surprising. If your brain stored everything with equal weight, learning something new would become almost impossible. Your memory would be overflowing. And most importantly, you wouldn't be able to distinguish the important from the unimportant. That's why your brain has a system, a filtering system. And this system kicks in precisely while you sleep. Sleep isn't just one thing. Throughout the night, your brain cycles through different stages. Deep sleep and REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, are two critical parts of this process. During deep sleep, what you experience during the day is temporarily stored in a region called the hippocampus. You can think of the hippocampus as a kind of draft notebook. It writes everything down, but not everything is permanent. Throughout the night, the brain scans this draft notebook and asks itself, is this information useful? Is it important? Has it been experienced before? If the answer is no, the synaptic connection weakens and eventually disappears. Scientists call this process synaptic homeostasis. Proposed in 2003 by Giulio Tononi and Marcos Franken, this theory has become one of the most strongly supported hypotheses in neuroscience today. But wait. It's not just about erasing. Your brain doesn't only delete while you sleep. At the same time, it strengthens the memories it chooses to keep. When you sleep after learning something, the synaptic connections for that knowledge actually grow stronger. In a sense, your brain shrinks what's unimportant while magnifying what matters. And here's the fascinating part. How does your brain decide what matters? Emotion, repetition, survival instinct. A moment that frightened you? You'll likely remember it. A subject you studied again and again? It becomes permanent. An ordinary Tuesday lunch? Gone. This is why memories formed under stress leave far deeper imprints. Traumatic memories are simply this mechanism, running on overdrive. So, what can you do with this? Quite a lot, actually. Research shows that sleeping shortly after learning something new makes that knowledge significantly more permanent. Staying up late to cram versus studying earlier and sleeping sooner. The second approach genuinely works better. Likewise, encountering stressful or disturbing content right before you try to learn something can fuse that stress with the material itself, encoding it in an entirely different way. And sleep deprivation? It's not just fatigue. memory consolidation breaks down entirely. One sleepless night can prevent a significant portion of what you learned that day from ever becoming permanent. So every night, as you sleep, your brain works in silence. Sorting, deleting, strengthening. You don't choose what you remember, but your brain does, and it does so exactly when you need it most. Perhaps the greatest teacher of all is sleep.